It's Curtis back with another episode of TurboCube. It's ypipe build part 2. As you can see in the picture, we got her done. We had a few ups and few downs, a few failures, and I almost caught my hair on fire. Please stay tuned and check it out.
Finally got what I was waiting on. Thanks, Summit.
Back at the ypipe build. Got the piece I needed. Basically, connecting those two. Just like I said in the last part of this video, once I do that, I can pull this out, get it all welded up fully. I'm gonna pull the up pipe right there out, the whole turbo and everything out, weld that up, get all these welded up. I need to pull my manifolds out up in there. It'll make it easier to change fuel injectors. I have new ones, and I'm also gonna heat wrap all this. So like I said, I've never really been taught how to do this or anything, and I really actually don't know the best way to do this. So I just kind of guess, and I feel like I get somewhat sort of lucky most of the time. But basically, I want to, since I had to add this little piece here, and now this is kind of angled, change the angle of this to match up nicely with that. I kind of want to recreate the same angle here and have the distance between the two pipes basically the same here. Plus there needs to be a little bit of a gap so I can weld it at least. And I need to also still be able to heat wrap these, so 2 layers of heat wrap has to fit through there. Plus I just think it probably looks a little bit nicer. But basically what I'm gonna do, I think, is, since I know I don't need like a 90 here, it would jut out straight across. I think I'm gonna cut it where I think is not far enough, like basically cut, like basically leave extra. And then I'm gonna have to trim a little bit here because this doesn't fit in here, but I think there's enough extra slop in here that I can probably trim this side of the pipe off. So I'm gonna mark the pipe here, and then I'm gonna go over to my saw and I'm gonna hack this off, and then I'm gonna cut this at an angle basically from here over to there, and then see how. So I think this angle is fine. This one does not, so I'm gonna trim some more. So I decided this original piece that I had wasn't long enough, so I found another piece that I had and made it a little longer. I think I might, when I wrap these, wrap them individually to like here, and then just wrap this all as one piece. I think it'll be a lot easier. There's no reason to wrap those separately. This is what I have to connect. I regret doing it this way. I wish I would have continued from this piece over and then ran it to here instead of doing it this way, because now I got to make that little piece kind of perfectly, and I don't think I'm going to do very good at it. So here we go. no idea how to do this. I am literally just guessing and drawing lines. So that's why you tack stuff. Because when it doesn't work, you can take it back apart. I am a failure. I think what I'm gonna do is start working it over and get it close, and then this will be my last piece. Hoping that I can get it correct enough to where, like I said, this is supposed to be a slip fit like that. So I'm hoping I can get the angle somewhat correct here with a small piece so it'll slip, because you see I have some adjustability here, which really helps a lot. What a hack job. I think I'm gonna have to be happy with that. Catching my hair on fire.